opening something very special, okay? And once I take off this packaging, I'll tell you what it is. But y'all thought I forgot? Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notification bells and follow if this is on TikTok. And now, let's open this up. Cut it out. Hold up. Let's see if I can see. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Guess what, guys? There's another bag. Okay. Let's open it. Wait, can I? I'm not. But guys, let's see. When I open it, I'll tell you what it is. Hold up. We gotta open this up. Ooh. It looks so pretty, guys. Guys, I can see it. It looks so pretty. Okay, guys. I'm gonna show you what this mysterious item is in 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, this is my spray ground. Okay. So pretty stuff. 360. I got me a spray ground. Okay. I forgot. I don't even know what this girl's name is. I saw her one time, but I don't even know her name. She just looks like me a little bit, so yeah. Okay, I can't take this off. I'm gonna have to take this off after, cause I got short nails on. Okay, guys, this is the pocket. Oh, it's pink. I thought it was gonna be red. Can you see, guys, some pink in here? Okay, pretty. Now we're gonna save the main pocket for last. Guys, I got the tag. I thought they took the tag off and gave it to me. But yeah. And in the pockets, they are pink too. Both sides, I believe. And then, yeah, you already know back here is black. Because it's always black. Wait, inside is pink. Never mind, I forgot. Okay. But yeah, guys. The secret pocket I'm not going to show y'all. Okay? And now let's show you the main pocket. The inside is pink. Okay. Let's take the pink out. Okay. And this is the inside. Normal. And there's even a zipper right here. Okay. And there's a zipper right here. And there's a pocket right here, a pocket right here, a right here and here. And there's a lot of pockets in spray ground, okay? But the last backpack I had, the only thing different is that I have this pocket. So I can show you the last pocket. I think the best feeling pocket over here. This is the best feeling. It's so soft. I don't know which other place is softer than here. Okay, cause this is the softest. Okay, and you can fit your many little stuff, extra stuff in here. Okay, but yeah, guys, this is the end of this video. So don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of these videos. And like I always say, bye! Okay, guys. So y'all see that I got my new backpacks. measuring for with the tag. Okay? But anyways, I'm gonna show you everything that's gonna be going in my backpack. So, yep. Okay, hi guys. Now we're home showing you everything I got, and y'all cannot see it. So let's get started. Now let's start with the necessary thing. Well, we got our folders. We got 2 5-star ones, and we just got 1 regular one, you know. But I love the 5-star ones, because look, when you get the folder, it puts your paper right here so it don't get crumbled up. And the same thing for this one. And just this regular folder, ain't got nothing from me. And yeah, and then we got paper to put in my binder that I didn't get yet. Okay, because I didn't see any binders that I liked, so I have to keep looking. And this is all the paper, like 360. I'm gonna be the 5-star folder. Okay. And it was already hanging out, so we got the markers. Okay. And then we didn't got 1 but 2 composition books. Okay. I was gonna get the bigger books, but I didn't really find them, and I know you're gonna need them. So yep. And oh yeah, the markers. And we got mechanical pencils. The only reason I didn't get the wood pencils, I was gonna get the mechanical ones and the wood ones, but we didn't get to get the ones that I wanted. So yeah. I was supposed to show this last, but I got a pencil case. This is a good one because look, you can open it up. You see this compartment, right? Put some stuff there, and then you're like, what's in here? I'll show you what's in here. The big pocket. Okay? And then there's 2 pockets right here. So like, of course, this is a good pencil case. So we're gonna put you right there. Okay guys, so now I'll do some pencils on a binder and a lunchbox, because I heard that middle school doesn't have the best lunch. And I am going to need, what am I going to need? Oh yeah, and I'm going to need my emergency kits, okay? Because you never know when you're going to need some hand sanitizer, when you're going to need some, lotion, deodorant. So I'm going to get the spray one because that's easier. And anything. And like a band-aid for your hand. But you'll see you'll see when we continue this video. So stay tuned. Now we got Sharpie. Okay. We got 12 different colors. And then we got Esco markers. These are good for school. And then we got a ruler. And then we got some scissors. And then we got 2 glue sticks. And then we got the eraser, like the small eraser, and the pen. Right here and right here. Sorry guys, they just dropped. And then we have these last 2 eraser and protractor, compass and protractor set. Okay? So basically, this is everything I got. So don't forget to go school shopping, and most definitely don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos like these